The Kansas City rental market in 2024 is competitive, and if you want to attract and keep good tenants, it's important to understand what they're looking for. Tenants have higher expectations these days, and it's not just about finding a place to live. It's about finding a place that meets their lifestyle needs. Today, we're going to talk about some of the key features and amenities that tenants in Kansas City are prioritizing in 2024, and what property owners can do to make their rentals stand out. First off, let's talk about location. Location has always been important, but in 2024, tenants are more focused on convenience than ever. They want to be close to work, public transportation, and entertainment. Kansas City is growing, and areas like the Crossroads, Midtown, and the River Market are becoming hotspots for renters who want to live near shops, restaurants, and cultural events. If your property is in one of these areas, make sure to highlight that in your listings. Even if your rental is a little further out, proximity to major highways or public transit options can be a big selling point. Another trend we're seeing is the demand for work-from-home spaces. With remote work continuing to be a big part of life in 2024, tenants want a space where they can set up a home office. Whether it's a spare bedroom, a den, or just a quiet nook, advertising your property as being work-from-home friendly can make it more appealing to prospective tenants. If you have room, consider adding built-in desks or shelving to create a functional workspace. Next, let's talk about technology. Smart home features are becoming more and more desirable. Tenants want smart thermostats, keyless entry systems, and high-speed internet. Offering these types of amenities not only makes your property more attractive, but can also justify a slightly higher rent. Today's renters are tech-savvy, and they're looking for rentals that fit into their connected lifestyles. So, if you haven't already, consider investing in some basic smart home upgrades. When it comes to the actual living space, open floor plans are still very popular. Tenants want a layout that feels spacious and allows for flexibility. Large kitchens with plenty of storage are also a big plus, especially for families or tenants who like to cook. Updated appliances, modern finishes, and clean, neutral colors will make your property stand out in a crowded market. It's not always about having the most luxurious features, but having a well-maintained, functional space that feels modern and fresh. Outdoor space is another huge factor. Even a small patio or balcony can be a major selling point, especially for tenants with pets or those who just want a place to relax outside. In Kansas City, where the weather can be great for outdoor living, tenants are looking for properties that offer some type of outdoor space. If your property doesn't have a lot of outdoor space, even something as simple as adding seating or a small garden area can make a difference. Speaking of pets, more and more tenants are pet owners, and they're looking for pet-friendly rentals. If you're open to allowing pets, you can attract a larger pool of tenants. Pet-friendly properties can often command higher rents, and tenants with pets tend to stay longer because finding another pet-friendly rental isn't always easy. Make sure to have clear rules about pets, and maybe even consider offering pet-friendly amenities, like a small fenced yard or nearby dog parks. Now, let's talk about sustainability. Green living is important to many renters in 2024. Energy-efficient appliances, low-flow water fixtures, and good insulation are all things that tenants care about. Not only do these features help the environment, but they also lower utility costs, which is a big selling point for renters. If you've made any eco-friendly upgrades to your property, make sure to mention them in your listing. Tenants are becoming more environmentally conscious, and they're looking for properties that reflect those values. Affordability is always going to be a key factor. In Kansas City, while rental rates are climbing, tenants are still looking for value. They want to feel like they're getting their money's worth. Offering things like included utilities, free parking, or access to shared amenities like a pool or gym can give your property an edge. Even if the rent is on the higher end, tenants will feel more comfortable paying it if they see they're getting something extra in return. Let's not forget about safety. Tenants want to know they're living in a safe area, so if your property has security features like gated access, security cameras, or a neighborhood watch program, highlight that in your listing. Even if your property is in a relatively safe area, adding features like motion sensor lights or secure entryways can help put potential tenants at ease. Finally, it's about communication and responsiveness. Tenants want to know that if something goes wrong, it'll be taken care of quickly. As a landlord, being responsive and handling maintenance issues promptly can be the difference between a long-term tenant and one who leaves after the first lease. If you find managing tenants and repairs stressful or time-consuming, that's where hiring a property management company like Alpine Property Management, Kansas City, can really help. We handle everything, from tenant communication to maintenance and repairs, so you don't have to worry about it. Now, switching gears for a moment, if you're thinking about selling a property, Alpine Property Management, Kansas City, also buys houses. Whether your property is occupied, needs repairs, or is in perfect condition, we can offer you a quick and easy process. You won't have to deal with the hassle of listing it on the market, and we can get you a fair offer fast. If you're ready to sell, contact us and let's make it happen. To sum it up, tenants in Kansas City in 2024 are looking for more than just a roof over their heads. They want convenience, technology, outdoor space, and a sense of community. If you can provide these things, you'll have no trouble finding and keeping great tenants. And if you need help managing your property and staying on top of what today's renters want, Alpine Property Management Kansas City is here to help. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on property management and real estate investing. Thanks for watching.